Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of these Shivazi camera glasses with full HD 1080p. They come with a photo mode and a video mode, and they say it's suitable for men and women. And so this is the box with all the information, but that's pretty much everything what I've already mentioned. So let's open it and see what we get. So the glasses come in an additional box, which is really nice, and we get even some tweezers in the packaging and a USB reader. So here in the back we have the opening which we can use for our micro SD card. So after we have been recording something with the glasses, we can take out the micro SD card, put it inside, stick it into our computer, and then have the footage there. Really convenient. Comes also with this cleaning towel and the standard micro USB cable for charging. And here we have the glasses nicely protected. We also get a small instructions manual, which could be very helpful because there are some specific functions. Here are the next 3 pages, but that's actually already it, so it's not super difficult to use. And the glasses come in a decent size. I have about an L or XL head size and they fit perfectly. Of course, they are not super size, so if you're wearing glasses you cannot really put them inside, that would be too much. But other than that, they are really nice fit, and we see the openings for the microphone and the camera on this side. And so first, of course, we have to fully charge, and while it's charging we see the red blinking light. When it's fully charged, it goes into a blue light. By the way, on this side there's absolutely nothing special, just normal temples. But on the other side we have the micro SD card slot, we have the charging port here in the back, and so after fully charging it, we insert the micro SD card. You can choose any size you want. I highly recommend to use at least class 10, and then we put the pins to the inside. And I can tell you a 32 gigabytes card should be more than enough, because it will last for about 3 hours of constant video recording with this camera here, and of tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of photos. And so we push it in like that. To retrieve it usually we can push, but with this one here we need the tweezers to pull it out again, and so we can open them. And to start the glasses we push for 2 seconds, and then we get the confirmation with the red light, and then we are ready to shoot a picture or video. If you just want to take a picture, we short press and we get the confirmation with a short blinking. And when we want to start the video, press for 2 seconds. We get confirmation about 3 times blinking. Now it's recording. And when we want to stop the video, we just push short, and we get also confirmation with this blue light here, and it goes back into red, which indicates that it's ready. And when we want to turn it off, we can either wait 1 minute because it has an automatic turn off, or we can press for 5 seconds and then it will turn off, which is super easy. So definitely not difficult. And to watch the footage we have 2 options. We can either take out the micro SD card, or we can hook up these glasses to a computer, plug it in here, and then plug the other side into your computer, and the File Explorer will show you like a small disk or USB stick, and then you can read all the files. So in the meantime I've been recording quite some footage, and it looks like it's working really nice. Of course you have to be careful what you do, because there is no vibration response and there's also no beeping, so you have to know what you do, but you can feel the button really good. So it shouldn't be too difficult to start a video or take a picture from here from the side. And the video quality is definitely not bad. I mean, it's not comparable to like a GoPro or so. There's absolutely no stabilization. If you need stabilization you can do that in a program after that, so absolutely no problem. What I'm really surprised is the audio quality. It has this built-in microphone, and so I've been doing a test and I'm going to play that now for you. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. So I'd say this is really good quality, even rather natural. By the way, for transfer I've been using this cable, worked absolutely amazing. I can highly recommend to do that. And after you connect it to the PC you will see a video folder where you have the videos and a photo folder where you have the photos, and also a time text document. You can go inside and then correct the date and time and save it, and from then on you will have the correct date and time on the video. I would say everything really working nicely as expected. Of course, you have to be careful because in certain countries or regions it could have some legal implications if you do some hidden video recording. Make sure that you stay safe, but other than that, I wish you a lot of fun with these glasses. And by the way, these are not my first camera glasses. I've already had something similar to that, and I've been using them on a roller coaster ride, and it was really fun to watch. Of course, I had to stabilize the video after that, but it was really nice because I couldn't use the camera, but nobody can ban you from wearing glasses. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.